Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.573 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $0.25 at $20.693. The earlier day close, $662. The change was 0.89, 535%. Backwards rate, ICE to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 556 coins. Excessive cost 556, while low 545. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 105. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 762. Change for August 3%. ICE to Doge expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 762 coins. Excessive cost 762, while low 846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 384. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 167. Change for September 5%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 167 coins. Exorbitant cost 348, while low 704. Found the middle value of cost 455. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 4,000. Change for October 4%. ICE to Doge expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,788. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,704. Change for November 7.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 3,704 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,416. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,226. Change for December 12.9%. ICE to Doge expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,778. Found the middle value of cost 3,043. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2.41. Change for January 8.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 2.41 coins. Excessive cost 3,125, while low 2,778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.46. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 2.41. Change for February 0%. ICE to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 2.41 coins. Excessive cost 3.30, while low 2,703. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,883. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,857. Change for spring 2.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,857 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,273. Found the middle value of cost 2,607. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,439. Change for April 14.6%. ICE to Doge expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 2,439 coins. Excessive cost 2,564, while low 2,222. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,402. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,381. Change for May 2.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 2,381 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,500, while low 2,174. Found the middle value of cost 2,345. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,326. Change for June 2.3%. ICE to Doge expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 2,326 coins. Excessive cost 2,439, while low 2,128. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,292. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,273. Change for July 2.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 2,273 coins. Excessive cost 2,439, while low 2,128. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,278. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,273. Change for August 0%. ICE to Doge expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 2,273 coins. Exorbitant cost 2326, while low 2041. The found the middle value of cost 2204. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2174. Change for September 4%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October 2025. Before all else cost at 2174 coins. Excessive cost 2174, while low 1754. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1997. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1887. Change for October 13.2%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 1887 coins. Exorbitant cost 2381, while low 1887. The found the middle value of cost 294. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2222. Change for November 17.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 2222 coins. Exorbitant cost 2857, while low 2222. The found the middle value of cost 2483. The S to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2632. Change for December 18.5%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 2632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2632, while low 2128. The found the middle value of cost 24816. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2273. Change for January 13.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 2273 coins. Excessive cost 2439, while low 2128. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2278. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2273. Change for February 0%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 2273 coins. Exorbitant cost 2703, while low 2273. The found the middle value of cost 2437. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2500. Change for spring 10%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 2500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2632, while low 2273. The found the middle value of cost 24861. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 24839. Change for April 24%. US to Doge expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 2439 coins. Exorbitant cost 3125, while low 2439. The found the middle value of cost 2736. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2.41. Change for May 26%. Dollar to Dogecoin